Hi friends, welcome to Organic Creations. Hope you all are doing fine today. In my last video, I had shared an under eye gel for dark circles. That is for the day gel, under eye day gel. And as I promised you all, now I have come up with my recipe for the under eye night gel. Now I have formulated this recipe for the night because the ingredients that I'm using here is a little heavy on the skin. So we prefer to use anything which is a little heavy in the night, so that while you're sleeping it reacts well with your skin. You get all the benefits of the ingredient that we are using throughout the night, and you can see the result in the morning when you get up. So now for this night under eye gel, here I have taken coffee. I had made this coffee as you make regular coffee, and I had just cooled it down. So this is just the regular coffee that we make. You can use any coffee powder. And here I have taken rose water. Now the reason why I have used coffee here is, as you must be knowing, coffee is extremely good in reducing dark circles, and it also improves the blood circulation around the surface of your eyes. Now rose water here is very cooling. It blends well with the coffee and gives it a very good cooling effect. So that is why I have taken a combination of coffee and rose water. And again we are using aloe vera gel here, which is extremely moisturizing for the skin, hydrating, moisturizing, and it as well helps to reduce the puffiness and the dark circles. So we'll quickly begin how to make this again. Here I'm just taking about 1 spoon of coffee, the coffee that I have made, and I will take 1 spoon of rose water. So both will be equal quantity. And here I have taken a big tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And I would suggest to use the gel that you get in the market, not to use the aloe vera liquid or anything, otherwise we will not get the gel consistency. And here again I am using a few drops of, you can say about a half spoon of almond oil. Again, almond oil, as I told you, is extremely good to reduce dark circles, and it is very light and moisturizing on the skin, especially on the delicate areas of the skin. And we'll give it a mix again. Now here, since it is a night gel, I am going to use a few drops of lavender essential oil, because I'm sure you all must be aware, if you have watched my previous videos, I have shared the benefits of lavender essential oil. It is extremely calming and soothing. So when you sleep in the night, you obviously want to have a very soothing and a calming feeling. So this lavender essential oil will give you that soothing effect when you use this in the night. And then you very slowly give it a mix. Please do not give it a mix very hard, otherwise that gel consistency, you will not get the gel consistency. And friends, these recipes that I'm sharing with you all, these DIY recipes, especially for people who just want to make these little batches for themselves, for their personal use. I will be coming up with a more advanced making of under eye gel for dark circles, but that will have much more ingredients in it. The only thing is, these products cannot be stored for a longer time, but the other advanced ones that we make, it can be stored for a very long period of time. So whatever is convenient for you all, if you all find it easier to make these DIYs, please do it and use it. Otherwise, I will be sharing the other recipe with you all as well. As I promised, every week one recipe will be a simple DIY for anyone and everyone, to make and try and learn. So I hope that helps you all, and you all enjoy making it. Now this is what I have mixed here. I will just show you how it is on the skin. I will just try it out and show you. You need to take a very little of it. You don't need to take a lot, and just apply it under your eyes. As I said, this will feel a little heavy because it has the coffee in it, and this will just get very nicely absorbed in the skin. So you can use this in the night, and I'm sure friends, as if you use it on regular basis, within about 10 to 15 days, you will definitely see the benefits and the results that you're getting by using this under eye gel. And please do try it out. Please share your experiences with me, how it has worked out for you. Has it helped you? And if you are enjoying watching my videos, you are getting some knowledge out of it, do like, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends so even they benefit, and they can try all these easy and simple DIYs that I will be sharing with you all. Thank you friends. Bye.